Don't be shy. We have all felt shy at some point. But shyness can sometimes be a problem. Shy people often get nervous when they are with others. If this is you, there are things you can do to stop feeling shy. For example, practice talking in comfortable situations. When you are with your close friends, practice eye contact and small talk. Try to ask questions and make invitations. This way, you will feel more confident next time you are in a new situation. Also, joining a club or a team is a good idea. If you like sport, join a team. If you love singing, why not join a choir? You will meet people who are like you and start feeling more comfortable. Do you avoid conversations because of shyness? Don't. Just write down what you want to say first. This way you will feel less worried. You must always remember to take small steps. Answer a question in class. Go to that party. Speak to those new people. Little by little, you will feel less shy.